Now, I think fans of Genesis will agree with me on this one. Marona really kept us pinned at the edges of our seats on that interview, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to it, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by thumbing down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching. This telenovela / TV drama, whatever you call it, will not get the second season if their intention is to base this show on Marona sleep with Gabriel's secret. I mean, we're almost on episode 50 and the story of already started boring me. So if the writers and producers think that this whole season will be based on the secret, I could fan. And I'm saying all of this because I think the storyline of the secret has dragged for far too long now. What we all want to see is the rivalry between Ubongo and Gabriel. I want to see them fighting each other for the throne at Genesis, or fighting for the house with Ubongo and Buhle kicking Gabriel out of the house and Gabriel fighting back like he did with his wife. Now that would be an interesting storyline. And what's making this storyline not to make sense to me is this. You can't tell me that a person who is as old as Bongo can't see what's going on under his own roof. I mean, he's staying with both Marona, Gabriel, and his mom. So you can't tell me he never suspected anything. Who your uncle in the house? Nah, but then this video was not about all of that. I just got excited after watching the recent episode. So, on the recent episode, Marona goes mad that her contract got terminated by Gabriel and his wife, and that they are talking ill of her. So she then decided she will go and clear her name on podcasts. Oh, shout out to Pradeep for making it to the show. So Marona's plan was to expose Gabriel and Genesis. She went to that podcast and exposed Gabriel. Now, wait to see how is Gigaba going to escape this one, because knowing him, he's a man of many tricks, and I think after this is where the show is going to start getting interesting. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.